What is going on, guys? Today we're checking out the latest device coming from Google. We got the brand new Pixel 5 in a little special package delivered today. And so I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys, give you a quick little side-by-side between the 4A and the Pixel 5. But other than that, you'll have to wait for all of the details for my full review once I'm allowed to do so. But with that said, let's jump in, unbox this guy, and see what we get. All right, guys, so as I said, I got a special box from Google today. You can see it right here. We got it, help has arrived. So this is going to be their little bundle package that they sent over. So I'm super excited to check this out. Got my Pixel 4 over here, my unboxing knife, just in case we need to have it on deck. But let's dive in and see what we get in the box. So sliding this open, the Google Hyper Speed Helper. So let's see what we get real quickly in here. Now, this is not typical packaging for the everyday order, but we got this. Yep, this is just for me, for being part of Team Pixel here. So let's see what we get in the package. So in the package, we've got the Pixel 5G, we got the Pixel Buds, and a case as well. Now, the Pixel Buds, we've already done an unboxing and a review on, so you can go on the channel and check those out if you would like to. I'll put a link to those down in the description below if you wanna go check out what's up with the Pixel Buds. But thank you, Google, for sending these over, because these are absolutely fantastic. So we'll set those off to the side. Now, let's pull out the case and the phone. Let's get rid of this guy here. So let's start off with the phone itself. We'll get to the case. We'll jump into that here just after that. As you can see on my Pixel 4a, I'm actually using the same case, but for the Pixel 4a, and I love this case, and we'll talk about that here in just a second. But Pixel 5, let's crack this guy open here. Let's see. Oh, yeah, we do need the unboxing knife. Oh no, I guess we don't, but we could use it if we wanted to. So we're gonna go ahead and pull these two open here. Let's slide this guy open right, shawl. And there she blows. Wow, this is looking really, really nice. So this is one of their latest colors here. So this is the kind of the greenish color that they got going on here, which is really, really nice. And so you get a nice close view of this guy here. Really pretty looking. Open this up, I'll take the package off there. But basically that's really it. It's got a really nice texture to it. It's kind of it's kind of a matte finish to it, kind of similar to the plastic on the Pixel 4a, but this one kind of has a kind of a matte texture. You can see it's not very glossy. There's not much shine other than the Google logo there, and the camera. There's not a lot of shine to it, which is really nice. I kind of like that. So if you're a person that likes to run it without a case, you're going to be doing really good here, because it doesn't really have a smooth texture. So slipping out of your hands is probably not going to be a problem. But let me pull the Pixel 4a out of its case really quick, and we can do a side-by-side comparison on the size real quick. So side by side, there they are. So we're very close in size as far as the Pixel 4. That's dirty under that case. Wow. The Pixel 4a right side by side. Obviously you can tell it's got that additional camera, much bigger camera unit there, but it is just a tad larger in every way. So let's see if we can put this sideways. You can see it just like that there. It is very similar in size. Weight wise, you know, honestly, they don't even weigh that much different, to be perfectly honest with you. They feel pretty in hand, I should say. I'm sure there is an actual technical difference in the weight, but in hand, they feel very, very similar. So that's pretty cool there. So there's that. That's what the case looks like. Let's see, or the packaging. Let's see what we get inside here. So we got all of our welcome details. We got our USB-C cable. We got our transfer. So we're gonna be able to use this. I'm gonna be able to plug this in. I can't wait for that. I'm gonna be able to plug this guy in to my Pixel 4a and just copy it over, which is really nice. And you have your charging brick as well here. So everything you need, very straightforward on the packaging. But now let's jump in and take a quick look at the case, just so we can kind of get an idea of what that looks like as well. So let's pop this open here. No need again for the unboxing knife, which is kind of a bummer. But the case itself, so this is actually really cool looking. So I have the darker version here. This is the one that I have for the Pixel 4a. It kind of has like a mint green G on there for the logo. This guy is kind of more of a blue with some highlights of orange, which is really cool. So this is a really neat, again, it's that really cool kind of cloth texture that Google likes to do on a lot of their products. So I love this case on the 4A, and I assume that I'm going to love this case as well on the 5. So more details on that to come. But guys, that is what you get in the package. Again, the Pixel 5, coming out strong. This is a big gift from Google, so thank you, Google, for allowing me to do this unboxing today. And guys, as I mentioned, I'll be releasing all of my thoughts and some sample photos and some screenshots of everything and give you the full tour of the device when I'm able to do that. But guys, that's it for me. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up down in that comment section below, because I love chatting with you guys down there, and I do my best to answer as many comments as I possibly can. But guys, that's it for me. And as usual, I will see you in the next review.